The content of your character is your choice. Day by day, what you choose, what you think, and what you do is what you become. It is wise to listen, not to me, but to the Word, and to confess that all things are one. Good character is not formed in a week or a month. It is created little by little, day by day. Protracted and patient effort is needed to develop good character. No man ever steps in the same river twice, for it is not the same river, and he is not the same man. For what sense or understanding have they? They follow minstrels and take the multitudes for a teacher, not knowing that many are bad, and few are good. For the best men choose one thing above all, immortal glory among mortals, but the masses stuff themselves like cattle. Dogs bark at what they don't understand. Everything changes and nothing stands still. Although the law of reason is common, the majority of people live as though they had an understanding of their own. A man's character is his fate. The majority of people have no understanding of the things with which they daily meet, nor when instructed do they have any right knowledge of them, although to themselves they seem to have. He who does not expect the unexpected will not find it, since it is trackless and unexplored. Man, like a light in the night, is kindled and put out. Men are at variance with the one thing in which they are in the most unbroken communion, the reason that administers the whole universe. Change is the only constant. Wisdom consists in speaking and acting the truth. Much learning does not teach understanding.